What's up everyone, welcome back. Once again, we're here with a practical tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to replace your toilet seat lid easily and adjust it to the best position. As you can see, this toilet lid is broken, and when we try to open it, it comes loose from its place. Also, the seat itself is unstable and moves around. Let's go step by step and learn how to replace it together. First, we need to remove the seat and take it off. This part is secured by two plastic nuts underneath the toilet bowl on both sides, which we need to unscrew. After removing these two nuts, the seat becomes free and you can easily lift it out. Now let's unbox the new toilet seat and see what's inside the package. First, we take out the lid and the seat from the box. There is also a plastic bag inside that contains the nuts and fittings. We open the bag. Inside there are two adjustable bolts, two nuts, two seat hinges, two hinge covers, and possibly a few plastic bumpers. As you can see, some of the bumpers are already installed on the lid, but some are not. We press the remaining bumpers into the seat with a little pressure. Next, we move on to the hinges. As you can see, there are 3 slots for attaching the screws, which help us adjust the seat according to the size of our toilet, so it fits perfectly on the bowl. We start with the middle slot and insert the screw into it. Then we attach the hinge cover. We prepare the second hinge in the same way. And now our hinge setup is ready. We place the toilet seat upside down on the floor and insert the hinges into their designated positions as shown. Then for an initial test, we place the seat onto the toilet and insert the screws into the holes. If the spacing isn't correct, we can adjust it slightly by moving the hinges along their slots. As you can see, the lid extends too far beyond the bowl and isn't properly aligned, so we remove it again. Since the lid was too far forward, we change the hinge positions. Because the movable base of the hinge is not centered, this adjustment moves the seat slightly backward and helps it sit better in place. Of course, this process depends entirely on the size of your toilet bowl. We place the seat back again and check the edge alignment. This time the spacing is much better, but the seat sits slightly behind the edge of the bowl. So we remove it once more. Now we go back to the 3 adjustment slots. Keep in mind that since we want the seat to move slightly forward, we need to shift the screw 1 slot in the opposite direction. We place both screws into the rear slots and close the hinge covers. Then we place the seat back onto the bowl. As you can see, the lid now sits perfectly aligned on the toilet. Now that everything is properly adjusted, the only thing left is to tighten the nuts. Underneath the bowl, on both sides where the screws come through, we tighten the nuts by hand until they are secure. There is no need to use a wrench here because the nuts are plastic and may crack if over-tightened. So we tighten them firmly by hand. As you can see, the toilet seat is not completely fixed in place. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our page for more tutorials. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.